Welcome back to Budget Bosses. My name is Gustavo, and today I'm going to show you how you can make these delicious mango habanero ribs for the whole family. It's summertime, it's hot outside, and you really want to make a good impression when you bring people over to your house. So make sure you guys try out this recipe. Click the description below so that way you can get the full recipe on our website, and make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and you hit that notification bell so that way you know every single time that we drop a new video. All right, so without further ado, let's get into making these ribs. So today we're gonna be smoking these mango habanero ribs on our Navigator 1300. This unit is available on our website, but you could also use any pit boss that you have, even a vertical unit. Just make sure you follow the recipe below because we don't need to use the sear plate today. Now, I'm gonna set my Navigator 1300 to 250 degrees, and then we're gonna set up these ribs. So I went to the store and I got these St. Louis style rack of ribs. I'm gonna show you how you guys can prep these and get these ready to get smoking.
All right, guys, so once you remove the ribs from the packaging, I do like to give it a quick pack down just so that way it's not covered in blood completely. I'll first lay the ribs meat side down, and if you take a look at this rack, you're gonna see this flap right here. All I'm gonna do is just cut this off with my knife, and you can kind of just follow the edge as far as where that fat and that meat is. So once you take that off, then you'll be able to remove the membrane on here. So I'll make sure I completely pat off the ribs, and then I'll face the largest rib towards me. All right, and then I'm gonna take my Pit Boss membrane remover tool. I know some of you guys enjoy this. It actually made it very easy for me to be able to remove this. Everybody has a different method, but shout out the guy that says he just rips it off with his teeth. We see you in the comments. All right, then I'm gonna flip over my ribs and I'm gonna add my Pit Boss Mango Magic Rub to the top side and to the bottom side of these ribs. Then I'm gonna add my Hatch Chili Rub onto the ribs as well. This is also from Pit Boss. You can get these rubs at Walmart.
All right, so now that I seasoned up the ribs with the Hatch Chili Rub and our Mango Magic Rub, now I'm gonna turn around and put these ribs into the smoker.
Then I'm gonna put my ribs onto the highest rack I possibly can.
All right, so now that we have our mango habanero ribs on the smoker, I'm gonna show you how to make the glaze for the mango habanero ribs. What you're gonna need is 2 mangoes chopped up. You're gonna need 2 habanero peppers. You could add more depending on your level and your tolerance to heat, spiciness. The more you put in, it's gonna be very, very spicy. I have apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons. I have 4 tablespoons of honey. I have some salt to taste, and then we have 3 tablespoons of lime juice. All right, so let's get to making this. I'm gonna get my blender.
Then we're gonna add our mango. We're gonna add our honey. We're gonna add our apple cider vinegar. We're gonna add our lime juice. Then I'm gonna cut off the top of the habanero pepper, remove the thick amount of seeds that's in the middle of it. Unless you're brave and you wanna keep the seeds in there, just know it's gonna be extremely hot if you keep all those seeds in there. Then I'm gonna cut my habanero pepper in half and add it to my blender. Then we'll just add salt to taste, but I'm gonna blend up my mix first. And then as you blend it, just keep adding salt until you feel like that amount is a good amount for your glaze. Then I'm gonna just put this glaze off to the side.
All right, so now it's been about an hour and a half. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna braise our ribs. So I'm gonna get our Pit Boss aluminum foil. I'm gonna put it into like this boat type shape. And then we're gonna put some mango juice so that way it can braise in its own liquids and butter. So let's get right to it.
All right, so we're gonna lay out our aluminum foil. I'm gonna take my ribs off of there. Cooked it for about an hour and a half on 200, low and slow. To the top of the ribs, I'm gonna add a quarter to half a stick of butter. Flip it back down on the meat side, and then we're gonna wrap it back up into this aluminum foil. We're gonna start by clipping the top together and rolling it down, taking one of the sides of aluminum and tucking it into itself like this so no liquids can get out. And then on the side that we left open, we're gonna take our braising liquid, which today we're using mango juice, and I'm gonna just pour it into this side. Once I'm done pouring it into here, we're gonna seal it all up and put it back onto the top side of the smoker for an hour. After that hour, we're gonna remove it from the smoker and we're gonna add our mango habanero glaze. And we're gonna just brush it on with our Pit Boss tools, with our basting brush, and just add as much as you feel like you need. The more the merrier. It is spicy. And then I'm gonna put this back onto our smoker for another 15 to 20 minutes. If you want it a little bit more crispy, you can do it for slightly longer, but I wouldn't recommend much longer than this, because when I cut this, it was so tender and delicious. The smoke ring was perfect. I mean, just look at those colors. A bright red, a nice orange. It was absolutely delicious. And I would recommend trying this out. Even if you're not a fan of spicy food, the spice doesn't overwhelm it because I removed those seeds earlier on the cook. And the mango is a perfect way to balance out that spiciness on these ribs. Are you guys gonna try it? Put it in the comments below.
All right, budget bosses, there you have it. We have our mango habanero ribs. We made sure to smoke them for an hour and a half to 2 hours beforehand, and then we braised it with the mango juice. Then I used my mango habanero glaze. We set it in there for the final 15 to 20 minutes, and here you have it. We have our mango habanero ribs. Has a really good smoke ring on it. They smell amazing. Make sure you guys try this at home. Like I said, it's a very hot summer, so this is the best way to get people over and trying something new. It's just a new twist on something classic, and that's what we try to do here all the time at Pit Boss. Now, if you're still watching, please put in the comments Navigator 1300. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way every single time we drop a video, you're in the loop. All right? I'm gonna try out this rib, let you guys know what I think. See, I don't like my ribs too much to just fall right off the bone. I do like some tenderness with it, and we were able to achieve that with this recipe. Make sure you look in our description below because we have our full recipe on our website to be able to view. All right, guys, until next time, always remember, everyone has to eat.